Need to check your Walmart Mastercard balance? Here's a quick 60-second guide for 2025 covering website, app, and phone. Before you start, have your 16-digit card number and billing zip code ready. On the website, go to walletservices.walmart.com. Tap Check Balance, enter your 16-digit card number and billing zip, then submit. Within seconds you'll see your current balance and recent activity on the screen. Prefer mobile? Open the Walmart Wallet app or the Walmart app and choose Wallet. In the app, open Wallet, select your Walmart Mastercard, and tap Balance. If prompted, enter the card number and zip or use biometric sign-in for faster access. Your balance and recent transactions will appear. Swipe to refresh anytime. To check by phone, call the number on the back of your card and follow voice prompts to hear your balance. Quick FAQ, is it free? Yes. Lost card? Call customer service immediately. Missing charges? Review transactions or contact support. That's it, quick, secure, and simple. Keep your card number and zip handy and check anytime.